Some pretty bearish news for Bitcoin, and we are breaking down from this symmetrical triangle right now. So basically what happened was this morning, the annualized change in the inflation adjusted value for all goods and services, the final GDP, was released, and it was higher than expected. It was expected to be 2.9%. It's actually 3.2%. So why is this bearish? Because this is actually bullish for the dollar, and the dollar does the opposite of what Bitcoin does, right? Bitcoin does the opposite of the dollar. If the dollar is strong, risk assets like stocks, like crypto, will be weak, right? And so we can see that after the news was released, the dollar has gotten this pretty big move to the upside right here, and we can see that the S&P 500 is absolutely dumping right now, and Bitcoin also is getting a dump, breaking down from this symmetrical triangle. So you can see, guys, I'm still in the long trade. I'm actually in a few positions, right? I'm still in the short trade from 18.3K. Okay, this was the trade setup that was given in advance over in the VIP Discord. Also, still in the long trade that we gave in the VIP Discord, right here, still holding the position. And also, guys, I just hit a TP on my short right here. This is the short trade that I did take live on the stream on Tuesday, guys. So make sure to like the channel, make sure to subscribe to the video, and do the opposite of that, because I gave the setup and the take profit right here, hit live on stream for free, guys. So make sure to like this content. So what am I looking at right now? Okay, this is very, very important for Bitcoin, but basically, guys, we are looking at a very large range right here. We can take it from about the 8th of November all the way to our present day, and we can see that what has happened is we got a deviation out of the range, hit into our area of resistance, which is how we got the short trade. We had a level there that we were waiting for. We have come back into the range. We now came back down to the value area low of the range and are coming back up to the point of control. This is very, very crucial what happens right now, because there is the potential that we could still get more upside, but we have to hold a very key area of support. Potentially, what we have forming here is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Now, if we are going to form an inverse head and shoulders pattern, the target of this bullish pattern is going to be back at around our highs, around that 17.3, 17.4 area, okay? Now, watch this. If we take a Fibonacci golden pocket from the low to the high, we can see that the Fibonacci golden pocket in the 786 area is coming in right around the this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, which could give us another entry to take a long up to the value area high of the range. Now, if we take a look at market Cipher B right here, this is the 1 hour time frame, we can see that things are absolutely not looking as bullish as we would want them to look. What we want to see on the 1 hour time frame is we want to see Sam Bankman-Fried's man boobs, right? For some reason, Sam Bankman-Fried does not distribute fat equally from the left side to the right side, right? And his left man boob hangs a lot droopier than the right. Okay, this is called a bullish divergence, the uneven butt cheek pattern. What we're seeing right now on the 1 hour time frame is actually a droopy butt cheek pattern, right? The cheeks are getting lower instead of higher. So if we go down to a lower time frame, like the 24-minute, what we want to see is we want to see something like this. If price gets a little retracement here and then another move to the downside, and we see that the 24-minute time frame is giving us a nice bullish divergence like this, right? We look out at market Cipher B and we see our beloved SBF. We see our favorite chick having a party, drinking the hand, right? And her cheeks are very uneven. This is a bullish divergence, and that could be the sign showing us that this is going to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and we could potentially look for a move to the upside. Now, check this out, because this is also pretty cool, all right? If we take a golden pocket from this high up here to the low, we can see that it is coming in right around the target of this potential head and shoulder. Guys, this is why it's so important to make a plan in advance, because right now what I'm doing, price action is not playing out yet, and I'm coming up with two potential scenarios here, because the goal should always be to stay one step ahead of the markets so that you can always be prepared. No matter what happens, you always have a trade setup ready to go. That's how we were able to take the short. That's how we were able to take the long. If you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. If you want to learn how to trade this way, guys, check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. We have a 30% discount right now If you use the code foreverinthefriendzone, you can get 30% off the trading course. We have 2 courses. We have a comprehensive course that will teach you all the TA you need to know, risk management. We also have an order flow course. Very, very helpful. These courses are changing the way thousands of people trade. Okay. Now, why is it so important that we have this 618 fib up here? It's because the 618, guys, we know, 618, 6 Juanita, the woman who rejected me when I was in high school, her name was 6 Juanita. I thought she liked me because she would laugh at my jokes. She would walk with me to the cafeteria, okay? She would let me hold her books. I would help her with her algebra homework. In fact, I did all the work for her. That's the only reason she was able to go to college is because of me. I thought she liked me. Guess what? I asked her out. 6 Juanita, will you go out with me? She rejected me, guys. This happened last Tuesday live on the internet. She rejected me right from the 618 level, okay? And we fell all the way down and just hit the take profit. Boom. So why am I telling you all this? I'm telling you this because we know that not only will she reject us because we are in the friend zone, but she, because we are friends, will act as support for us when our heart is broken. So if we're going to get a move down to 6 Juanita, we know she's going to be there to give us a shoulder to cry on. Okay. And then if we pump up from there, we know that she's not going to go out on a date with us. All right. I've not had a girlfriend since Tuesday when I got rejected from 6 Juanita live on YouTube. Okay. So guys, this is what is currently happening with the Bitcoin price action. You need to keep your eyes on the ES, on the dollar, because honestly, guys, if the stock market is dumping and the dollar is pumping, it's unlikely we are going to find support for Bitcoin. But if we notice that the dollar is starting to find resistance and the stock market is starting to find support, then that's added confluence, added confirmation for our trade. Okay. So guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at Jason_Casper for a chance to win $1,000. In the meantime, guys, I will see everybody in the next stream. God bless each and every one of you in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray everybody is super blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.